tell you a bit about myself. I'm originally from Colombia. I studied film and television when I was in Colombia at the National University, and that was almost 20 years ago. And about 10 years ago, I started a PhD in Aberystwyth on minority languages and media. When I was in Aberystwyth, I thought that it was very important to learn a bit of Welsh. So although my PhD was done in English, I started learning Welsh as an adult in 2008, I think. And even though I improved little by little, I still don't consider myself a fluent Welsh speaker, but I keep on trying and I keep on learning the language. My wife often says to me that I speak Martian language. That's how she describes when I speak Welsh. My dad has always said that I pick up the weirdest languages to learn, and that's just the way that I am, that I try to learn things that are very different. And he always wonders what's the use of a language that is so small. And I always tell him that every language is a key to a culture, and that's why every language is important. I remember that I wanted to learn Welsh because I thought that was the only way that I could really understand the Celtic culture of Wales. That was the main thing that I thought about when I moved to Wales, and I realized language is such a strong part of the life in Wales, because the language is so poetic, and the way people use it, it has a very nice rhythm and sound to it. One of the most attractive things I find is a sound, which I have not heard in other languages. And I really like words that start with the sound of. So I like words like llanelli or llanast or llosgi, and especially I like the word llongyfarchiadau.